Hey, I wanted to turn this back on because I'm going to make a noise. I'm going to make cupcakes. And we were all talking about this. I'm sure you've seen the shrinkflation. This is now 15.25 ounces. Any cake mix that is in the store now. It used to be 18.25, and now it's 15.25. What do they think we're doing? We have old recipes that, like for, I have a lot of recipes in my file that use a cake box mix for the recipe. And if it's shy, it's not going to turn out correctly. So what I did was I have written down, and I should show you because like I'm out of the chocolate one, so I should just make more. Here's my recipe card. You ready for a screenshot? Whoopsie. There, can you see that? I literally just was going like this, and I had flour on my nose for the pies that I just put in the oven. So I probably had it on in the video. I don't know. But anyway, see what I did here? For the white or yellow cake box mix, you make this up ahead of time and store it in a container and mark it. And then you just have to dump the ingredients. Then you follow the regular instructions. Half cup of oil, 2 eggs, 3 eggs, whatever. For chocolate cake, and I have to order more of the cocoa powder. I love the Ghirardelli one. It's really good. If you have a favorite, let me know. Anyway, here it is. And I'm going to make it because I need, we used to make 2 dozen cupcakes and now it doesn't. So there's that. All right, we got to stick together on this stuff.